Ever felt tired, stressed out, or constantly in a bad mood? There's a chance you might be low on magnesium. Magnesium is one of the most sensitive minerals in the body. It is surprisingly easy to become deficient in it. Just a sudden bout of stress, worry, a bad case of indigestion, or even one night of poor sleep can start depleting your magnesium levels. This mineral plays a huge role in keeping the body balanced and relaxed. But because it is so sensitive to lifestyle factors, it is often the first to drop when things get tough. Let's dive into what magnesium does for you. How can you tell if you're low on it? And some surprising reasons your magnesium levels might be dropping. Why magnesium is so important. Magnesium is the quiet hero working behind the scenes in your body. It supports over 300 enzymes reactions. This range from helping you feel calm, keeping your muscles working smoothly, maintaining energy levels, and even helping with sleep. Think of magnesium as one of your body's stress relievers. But if levels are low, it can throw a lot of things off. Signs you might be deficient. Here's where it gets interesting. A lot of symptoms of magnesium deficiency are pretty common, so it is easy to overlook. Here are some big ones to keep an eye out for. Muscle cramps or twitching. Ever had an annoying eye twitch? That could be your body's way of hinting it needs magnesium. Restless legs and feeling of weakness in your legs. Anxiety and stress. Magnesium naturally helps calm the nervous system, so if you're always feeling on edge, you might need more of it. Fatigue and low energy. Magnesium helps produce energy in your cells, so without enough of it, you might feel sluggish or even exhausted. Trouble sleeping. Magnesium can help with relaxing muscles and calming the mind, making it easier to get good sleep. Digestive issues. Magnesium plays a role in digestion too. If your stomach is often unsettled, this might be part of the puzzle. Why you might be losing magnesium. Now, here's the part that's often overlooked. Even if you're getting magnesium, certain factors can drain it from your body faster than you think. Stress. When you're stressed, your body actually uses more magnesium. Think of it as your body burning through its reserves to deal with the pressure. Excessive indigestion and bloating can actually rob your body of magnesium. After 2 decades of personal experimentation and dealing with my own experiences with indigestion, I've seen firsthand how the stress and pressure it puts on your body, and especially on your organs, can drain this essential mineral. When indigestion is combined with physical and mental stress, magnesium depletion can happen even faster. This is a major reason why so many people end up deficient in this critical mineral without even realizing it. Let's talk about the next reason: processed foods. A diet high in processed foods can lead to a deficiency. Magnesium is naturally found in whole foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. Processed foods, on the other hand, are often stripped of minerals like magnesium. Number 4. Caffeine and alcohol. Both can reduce your body's magnesium levels by increasing how much you lose through urine. Now let's talk about how to boost your magnesium levels. So if you're dealing with any of these symptoms or have lifestyle habits that drain magnesium, here's what you can do. Food first. Start with food. Some of the best sources of leafy greens like spinach and kale, nuts like almonds and cashews, seeds, avocados, and dark chocolate. Yes, dark chocolate. Magnesium supplements. If it is tough to get enough through diet alone, a magnesium supplement might help. Just to make sure to go with a form that's easy to absorb, like magnesium citrate or glycinate. Magnesium sprays and liquid magnesium also help. What I do is, if I can't fall asleep faster, I use liquid magnesium or magnesium sprays. Most of the time it works, but everyone's body is different. And the next one on the list is manage stress. This one is huge. Take time to relax. You can practice deep breathing, a hobby, or just going for a walk. Support your digestion. Help your body absorb magnesium by taking care of your digestive system. Include probiotics, eat slower, and avoid foods that irritate your stomach. So if you're feeling off and suspect it might be magnesium, these tips could be just what you need to rebalance. Make small changes and notice the difference. Your body will thank you for it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.